Amendment, also known as GO12MP. This is a video, a review of my UNSC Weapons Pack 3. Yeah, UNSC Weapons Pack 3. So let's start out with the box. Okay. So there, this is a 10th anniversary kit. So there's the picture of the weapons pack. What I really like about it is it's got sandbags, and that's real nice. Yeah. Okay, and yep, and it says Halo the Authentic Collector's Series up there. Okay. And here's another picture on the back. It's got the camo brick. Shows right there, and it's got a CQB Spartan. Here are some of the other kits that you could get, like the Covenant weapons pack, and yeah, this is the UNSC weapons pack, and some other kits like the Banshee and ODST's Last Stand. Okay, so there's the box. So now to the actual kit here. So to start out with, we've got our CQB Spartan here. He's kind of silver, more like gray actually, not really silver. But he's not like anything like the normal Spartans. It's completely different. Like the arms, the legs. I think the only thing that could be the same is the legs, and yet of course the hip piece that rotates. Yeah, but everything else is different. The arms, torso, and head. Yeah. So there's that guy. And here's his little thing here. It holds all his weapons, so it's got a pistol, shotgun, and an assault rifle, as he is the one he's holding. And so here are the sandbags. So yeah, pretty neat, huh? Yeah. Okay. And this little piece right here, I think I know what this piece is. I think it's a weapon holder, so he can like put it right about here maybe, and then stick his gun onto it like that. Kind of a weapon turret or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, there's that piece. But yeah, I think it's pretty cool. Cool. I said cool, not. I meant cool. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah. And yep. Okay. Thanks for watching.